क्या आपकी कंपनी में टीम मेंबर्स हैं, डूअर्स हैं, एम्प्लॉइज हैं, पर लीडर्स नहीं हैं? क्या आपने कभी फेस किया है क्या कि आप अपने टीम मेंबर्स को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो देना चाहते हैं, पर वो एक लीडर की तरह और लोगों को अपने साथ आगे नहीं ले जा पाते? क्या आपने कभी फेस किया है क्या कि आपके टीम मेंबर्स ने बेसिक अपना काम तो सीख लिया है, पर उसके काम की कंप्लीट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं लेते? If this is the problem you are facing, then you don't have a leadership training module in your company. Hi, I am Ankur from Kedia Growth Services and we help build leadership training modules. आज हम सीखते हैं what are 4 levels of leadership training module which can help you create the right leadership you deserve. Let's understand stage 1. Stage 1 को हम लोग बोलते हैं I do you see. So here the trainer who is actually teaching the task will sit down, will complete the task himself or herself, and the person who is new will only observe. They will only shadow. Now we need to make sure that they don't rush to help or to actually interrupt and ask questions. They only need to observe and they only need to understand why things are being done. The trainer has to play a role while actually doing the task. They should narrate each step, why they do it this way. We usually make it into a training content. There is another video of how to make training content. Training content का structure बहुत ही simple, clarity, action, submit के point of view से है. There is another video to it. If you want to understand how to make training content, you can go through that video. Through that video, you will be able to understand training content डॉक्यूमेंट में या वीडियो में किस तरह से बनाया जाता है. स्टेज 2 इज यू डू आई सी. स्टेज 2 में जो ट्रेनर है वो बैठता है और वो ऑब्जर्व करता है while the trainee who is actually learning how to do the task, they complete the task seeing the training document or the training video. अब the point is कि जो ट्रेनर है they have to not blame at every mistake that the trainee makes. They have to make sure that they don't say, no, that's wrong. You are wrong here. They should ideally say, pause, go back one step, and you can do it this way. The corrections should be made instantly, and the trainee should be asked to do the task 3 to 4 to 5 times, depending on the complexity of the task. इसका एजेंडा ये है कि ट्रेनी फाइनली हमें ये ना बोले कि अच्छा टेल मी स्टेप बाय स्टेप व्हाट नीड्स टू बी डन. रादर दे शुड से दैट ओके नाउ आई नो व्हाट नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू बी डन. नाउ कम स्टेज 3. स्टेज 3 इज यू डू आई चेक. स्टेज 3 में क्या करते हैं कि ट्रेनर जो है वो अब रूम से बाहर चले जाता है. ट्रेनी इंडिपेंडेंटली वो टास्क करता है. No shoulder look, no side eyes, no hinting, nothing. Whenever the trainee completes the tasks and they actually submit the task, trainer only checks whether the task is done in the right manner or not. Accuracy, the way of submission, what is expected out of them, they check it through these lens. इस फेज का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है, इमीडिएट अगर कोई गलती होती है तो उसको इमीडिएट पैचवर्क करेक्शन ना किया जाए, बट the trainer asks the trainee to complete all the steps again. This way they will build a muscle memory to actually complete the tasks in the right manner, and this will eventually build accountability. Then comes stage 4, which is you do, I only measure. This stage refers to a phase where the employee or the team member is expected to perform the task without any supervision from the trainer. Here, the trainer only keeps a check on the employee or the trainee through dashboards or MIS reports. Those checks can also be done through frequent dashboard checking or through frequent MIS reports. Here, the system is built in a manner so that training becomes a system and not an event. Now that you have understood the different levels of leadership, when are you launching your leadership training module? Growth with Kedia.
KD.
Hi. If you like our content, then do hit the like button. Do share it with somebody who would benefit from watching this video. Do let us know what you think about our content. It will give us an opportunity to improve. If you're a business owner and you would like to have a one-to-one with me, then there is a link in the description. Go for it. Thank you for watching.